live today. You guys, I'm not really live. However, I wanted to share with you a really cute project that I whipped up for some of my house guests. I'm going to explain what I did. Today I'm using our Freshen Up transfer, which is awesome. It's a large C size. I'm only going to be using this part of my Freshen Up transfer. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I'm making. So let's go down this way. Okay, so here is this fun little wooden box that this is going to go into my bathrooms. One of the things that I absolutely worry about when I have house guests is running out of toilet paper, and I don't want them to have to dig into my linen closet or wherever I'm keeping it to find it. I don't want that panic to set in. So I'm gonna have a house full of 12 guests, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make these boxes which perfectly hold 2 rolls of toilet paper, and it's gonna set on the tank of the toilet right on the back. So there is no confusion as to where are the extra rolls gonna be. So I'm making 2 of these for my guest bathrooms. Now, this is wood, and it does have a really kind of a powdery surface, so I'm gonna wax this. I would suggest if you found any sort of container like this that is wood, that you would also wax it before you chalk it. Okay, so I'm gonna also, I have 2 of them. I have this cool gray one, and then I have this fun white one that's gonna go into the kids' bathroom. And I'm also going to wax this. Okay, now let's set that aside. We'll start with this one. I'm going to show you the H for hello. The hello is a little bit big for this, so I'm going to set the H kind of off to the side right here. All right, we're going to use black chalk paste, and then I'm going to reposition to do, I better stir this up with my stir stick. Got my black velvet chalk paste. Stir it up. Maybe needs just a little bit of that fine mist of water. That's distilled water, you guys know, spraying in there. It eliminates any bacteria that could be in the water. Okay, so now I am going to go ahead and start doing the H. Now this is a curved surface, so it takes a little bit of finesse to get it on there. That whole H done. And then we'll add the hello, because that will be different. I'll have to place the I'm going to pick the transfer up, dry off that H, and then replace the hello up at the top. So let me go ahead and dry this. Hope you guys are having an amazing day today. I know that I am currently very busy. We are having our convention ChalkCon this week, Friday and Saturday, and I am hosting a viewing party, which means I am having several designers over to my home. So we're gonna do the hello up there. I made one of these for my own personal, the master bathroom, and I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. And it actually said the same thing. It said hello sweet cheeks, but I used totally different transfers because we didn't have this one at the time. So I'm going to go ahead and dry off the hello. Isn't it cute? It just barely fits, but it works. It's awesome. And then we're going to do sweet right here. We're just going to kind of like overlap where that word is on the second slat of wood. There we go. It actually like fits perfectly. There's our sweet. So I'm going to go ahead and, isn't that a cute font? I love it. I absolutely love it. You guys, this Freshen Up transfer is available. It will be available at the end of this month. Right now it is on back order, but it will be available at the end of this month. So now I'm just gonna finish up with this, and then we will wash our transfer because we're gonna use a different color on the white one. But it's gonna be like very similar. You can also spruce this up by adding some any ribbons or anything like that that you may want. I am just gonna grab gotta clean out my water basin. I have stuff in there. I filled up my water and then I didn't have any hands to carry everything, and so, all right, so we are gonna wash off this transfer in the water as much as I can, get all that chalk off, and then I'll come over and wash it off some more on the mat there. That is our Chalk Couture self-healing mat. It is a really great surface for chalking. Move this, let that set right there. Sometimes that chalk stains a little bit, especially the black. So you want to grab your board eraser and clean off that top. That excess comes right off on the board eraser. And then that just rinses out in water. And I can take my, my wipe and just kind of clean that. And I'm gonna flip it upside down, and I'm just gonna do the same to that. Now I want to dry it because I want to use it right now. So I'm gonna take my fuzzing cloth on the inside and just kind of press that in there to dry it. Clean this up because I'm not gonna be using the black for the white basket. I'm gonna use just this gray. Okay, or I'm just using the black on the gray. So here I'm gonna peel, so this is ready to go again. And I'm gonna set this aside. So check it out. Hello, sweet cheek. So this is gonna be on the back of the toilet. Really a simple thing. But it's definitely helpful so you're not running up and down the stairs if we're out of toilet paper upstairs, or you know, whatever. Just, it's something to ensure that your guests always have that, or your kids or yourself, whatever. So let's set this one aside and we'll bring over the white one. We're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna get this hello on here. And for this one, we have a blue bathroom, so we're going to use a pretty blue color. Get this all stirred up. A little bit of distilled water in there. And get it. There we go. Okay, so now we need a mini squeegee for this. Make sure that it's dry. Just washed them. And I will pick up some of this blue and get it on here. There we go. When this comes back into stock, I have a whole bunch of projects to do with it to show you guys, because this is definitely a very useful, look what I did. I got a little messy. Let's get a Q-tip and clean that off. If this ever happens to you, you can clean it off while it's wet with a Q-tip. It's the easiest way. If it's dry, you're gonna want to wet the Q-tip. Awesome. So I got that cleaned off. Now I'm gonna dry it. So really cool. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just put the hello on top so that it matches, just kind of like how I did the other one. Hold on right there. There we have the hello. And I kind of had to put it off, like the top and the bottom are a little bit off because this font is super big, but some of the fonts, the other two fonts are perfect. So let's dry that really quickly.
Hello.
Hi, I'm doing a fake live for my customers.
Awesome.
Yeah. See what I'm making to put on the toilets for
Oh,
ChalkCon so
cute.
that I don't run out of toilet paper in any of the bathrooms?
That is cute.
Yeah.
Good idea.
This is from our Freshen Up. So this this live will go live tonight. It's a fake live.
I see what you're doing. You're just repositioning it so you're not going to go
Yep,
in
so I'm
between.
on the slats and I'm not on, yeah, I just am doing each word separately. And the top word is a little bit bigger, so I had to like reposition it a couple times with the H and then
Yeah,
that.
that's awesome.
Yeah. So that's why I couldn't take your phone call earlier.
That's okay. And then I was driving while doing it, and my car had the call, and I couldn't get it off of my phone.
Oh, that's funny.
I'm like, okay, I can't hang up now. For voicemail.
Yeah. All right, so then the last one down here, cheeks, is going to get placed. And there we go. And just kind of get the chalk on there. Once it's dry, it's semi-permanent, so you don't have to worry about it coming off. And even being in a bathroom, even with the humidity, it's fine the way it is. If you think people are going to drip water onto it, you may want to spray seal it just to protect it with your spray seal. Oh, look what I did. Let me wipe that off real quick. Use my little wipe. When it's wet, it's the easiest time to kind of fix your mistakes. There we go. I think we are good. I got a little sloppy on this one, but that's all right. I'm gonna dry it and then it will be good to go as well. These fun little boxes, you can find anywhere. Just make sure they fit like a couple rolls. I have one that fits 3 rolls and it's actually big. It fits 3 rolls. Plus I put a fun little mason jar with some dried flower, fake flowers, not dried, and some poopery spray. That also is something nice to put into your bathroom for your guests. So we got these cute little things made. Really quickly, I know if you guys are new, I would love it if you would type team in the comments, TEAM, and nope, I'm saying it all wrong. Ignore what I just said. If you are new, type add me into the comments. Add me is what you want so that you can get into my VIP group. All right, that is my free group that I have with all sorts of people looking for ideas and inspiration, and is totally free. So if you are thinking about becoming a designer, now is the time for team. Type team in the comments and I'll send you a link so that you can join the opportunity group and check out the live that we just did. We are still giving away Oh, I can't, I don't even, we're not going to be, I'm not, just type team in the comments and you'll see. All right, you guys, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you later.